room. Shoot it from the safe room. Shoot it from the safe room.
The children are allowed.
Right, this is push range. Push range.
Oh, hello.
Tunnel him.
Yep. Hit. Yeah.
Red team, you need one more flag!
What's that? Got one box, you see him?
Where's the flag up there?
Yeah, in that far corner.
There's two in that room. Did you get the other one?
Sorry.
Really low, there's a little hole just on this corner. You can lay really low in, flat down, and then never ever get to it.
Yep.
Corners, guys.
5, 4,
Don't
3,
forget, they may well be
2,
coming
1.
through here. Over
All
here.
the way down that end.
Oh, right.
Got 3 down there, halfway down. Got 3 down there, all down the box.
Push down one way, guys. You've got to get another one roof leg.
About halfway down.
I'll find a fire much better than me. That's it.
Warning shot that one.
Keep your head down. What? That was quick.
You're not hanging about. No, they went straight in there.
Fair
Like,
play.
like, like, done. Oh.
Hit. Right.
Can we do one first?
Three, four, five. Yeah, stick on that.
They're in there. That's got a phone as well. They're in there. Oh, sorry.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, five. Anyone else? Class. I'll distract him. I'll distract him and get him.
Max, behind you. Dead people
Yeah.
don't speak, fella. Dead people don't talk.
Hey. Guess who that is? Oh, I knew you weren't. 7 floor, around the floor. Love that. Keep firing. Two, three, four, five. Well, ricochet.
Hit! Right on the phone!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, fucking kidding me. You want me on that box right down there? Fucking hell.
Go, Rick!
Not under there.
I'm not shooting it, you're shooting that one.
Man up. Push it up.
Hey.
To the top.
Blues is down there.
I'm gonna check under the bed that they're knitting on.
I don't think you'll have to put them under things.
The blue one's down here.
Oh, I found a blue one.
Yes. Oh, the blue one is. No,
Found it.
Find it.
That's blue.
that's a blue one.
I've got clean all of the stuff.
No.
Any longer. I can't stand this fucking pain any longer.
Just say it as you said that. You found it? Yeah.
Got it!
I think the whole team was behind now.
Are you to go outside?
We should go on
Red
inside.
dude! Red dude! Yeah, look, it's my side!
Make sure you keep your heads down.
This log finish.
Another 2 down there.
Oh, come on, you get on. Could have got you in that
No, you didn't.
one. Right, I thought I was going to get.
Gotta find those flags! Yeah, looking for the flags!
I can't believe I've got a baby in my fucking boat. Mate, you find babies everywhere.
Where be that flag? Where be that flag?
Yeah, looking for those flags!
Do we know that?
Red flag found!
It's there. Make it red stand.
Got it! Yep! Red flag! Right, Chiefs, back to the safe room!
To the safe room, bags out, please.
You know where that bed was? He doesn't need to do that. He's actually back to the blanket and stuff.
So they just the birds not started yet.
Behind the 2 boxes out there.
Goes in the back of the head.
Oh, shit, you bitch.
Well,
Red thumbs, 2 to be tagged over here.
please, food.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Where are they? They're around that corner.
Here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In that car room.
like the room anyway.
There's one in there.
She's not as good going that way.
Is that what the hiding is, isn't it?
Yes, do my shield. Right there, John. Right, ready? Are they dropped from the fire? Yeah. Move forward.
Hit!
Right.
His leg. I got your leg! Wait, people move forward, move forward, move forward. Hit!
Watch out, watch out.
Oh dear. That's good.
Sorry, mate.
All dead, all dead.
We're dead in there.
Right, this is on the tray. It's underneath the table.
Take a step.
Go, go, go! Come in!
20 seconds! 40 seconds, I mean.